are the Group 3, also known as Coquelicot boiler trouble. We are from Bsme, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering 1. And I am Leonela Habitana.
I am Angel Rose L. Macala. I am Christine A. Ipinan.
And I am Janmark Dinasas.
Before we proceed with our main topic, let us have small information about the boiler first. Boiler or steam generator that converts water into steam. This steam is circulated through piping system. This transfer heat for various applications such as heating, power generation, and other processes. However, they can be dangerous if not properly maintained and operated. Boiler troubles are problems that occur in the boiler. It lessens the effectiveness and lifespan of the boiler. In a boiler, water continuously evaporates and converted into steam. As a result, water becomes saturated to increase in the concentration of dissolved impurities of hard water. Hard water consisting of minerals like magnesium and calcium can cause damage or cavity.
Let us define what priming is. When the boiler is fed with hard water and heat it to boil, the hard water is used to produce steam. This steam may come out with drop. The production of wet steam is called priming. What are the causes of priming? Due to the presence of high concentration of the dissolved salt in the boiler water, priming can occur. Next cause is due to the high level of feed water, priming can be formed. Priming can occur if the speed of steam generator is very high. And lastly, due to the faulty design or improper design of the boilers, priming can be formed. Let's talk about how can we prevent priming. Priming can be prevented if we use soft and filter water. If we use soft and filter water and that water doesn't contain any kind of impurities, we can prevent the formation of priming. And by maintaining the low level of boiler with water, we can also prevent priming. What foaming is? When a boiler is fed with hard water containing oily impurities and heat it to boil, along with steam persistent, foam is produced on surface of the water. The production of persistent foam on the surface of the water is called foaming. In simple words, foaming means formation of foam or bubbles on the top of the surface of the water. Oh, what are the causes of foaming? Foaming can occur due to the presence of oil droplets, fats, greases, because it can reduce the surface tension of the water. What are the preventions we can do to prevent foaming? Foaming can be prevented by adding anti-foaming agent like castor oil. And we can also prevent foaming if we replace concentration boiler water by fresh water. And now we are done in foaming and priming. Let's proceed to sludge and scale.
Sludge and scale formation. The water in boiler is continuously heated, causes an increase in the concentration of dissolved and suspended solids. These are precipitated and slowly precipitate on the inner walls of the boiler plate. There are two ways of precipitation. First, the sludge, and the second is scale. Sludge is the muddy solid at the bottom of the boiler. The loose, slimy, and soft deposit in the boiler. The sludge is caused by the magnesium carbonate, magnesium dichloride, calcium chloride, which have more solubility in hot water. And the other cause of sludge is the sludge buildup when suspended material found in water stick on the inner surface of the hot boiler tube. Another boiler trouble is the scale. The scale are hard sticky deposit in the inner walls of boiler. The scale are very difficult to remove. The cause of boiler scale is the impurities being precipitated out of the water directly on the heat transfer surface. But the major cause of scale is the solubility of calcium carbonate. It is directly affected by the pH of the water. If the pH of the water is decreased, more calcium carbonate solid can be dissolved. Due to the scale formation, we have to heat the boiler to high temperature This causes the weakening of boiler material. Due to scale deposits, the choking of boiler is observed. How can we remove the scale? If the scale is soft, it can be removed by the sweeper. If the scale is hard, we can use conditioning agent to soften this material and be removed by the blow-down operation.
Caustic embrittlement is a phenomenon that occurs in boilers where caustic substance accumulate in boiler materials. It also can be described as the cracking of riveted mild steel boiler plates. Caustic embrittlement is also known as stress corrosion cracking. Now let us discuss the causes of caustic embrittlement. Caustic embrittlement is a form of corrosion caused by a high concentration of sodium hydroxide. It is characterized by the formation of irregular cracks on the metal, particularly at places of high local bends, such as bends and joints cases caustic embrittlement. Caustic embrittlement is one of the common problem or trouble that occurs in the boiler, especially in the steel alloys. This is also known as cracking of ribbed steel metals. The cracking is caused by the rusting of iron material. And that's all for the topic of Coquelicot boiler trouble.